Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnet24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're looking at Anker's 20,000 milliamp power delivery USB Type-C battery. So actually it's a little bit larger box. There's a bunch of cables and other things in here. But what we are focusing on right now is their battery technology. This is power delivery, so you can power USB Type-C devices that work with that technology. You have one IQ port here, it's USB Type A, and then the other port, as you can see, it's USB power delivery. Now there's different types of USB power delivery. This offers USB power delivery 3.0 technology, and the button on the side shows you the charge level. This comes halfway charged, so that's good right out of the box. We like the outer coating. It's very tightly made, and Anker is one of the best batteries you can get right now. So that's 20,000 milliamp, and that offers power delivery technology. This is from Anker. Thanks.